Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to see new chapter patterns. A pattern is the repeated or regular way in which something happens or is done. Whatever happens repeatedly or regularly using numbers or shapes, then we call it as patterns. Complete the multiplication table of 2 and observe the pattern. If we complete the pattern till 2 tens are 20, we get a format, we get a pattern in one's place. The pattern which we followed in 2 table is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in one's place. The pattern which is followed here is addition of 2 between each number. There are 4 kinds of pattern which we are going to use in this chapter. Repeating pattern, growing pattern, reducing pattern, progressive pattern. As we have seen in 2 table, in one's place 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 is the pattern which we followed in that table. A set of numbers is repeated to form the pattern in 2 table. The repeating unit of this pattern is plus 2, as I said already. Observe and complete the following pattern, which means here 37, 39, then what comes after a dash 43 and 45 is given. So between 37 and 39 only one value is missing, and again 43 and 45 again one number is missing. Here if we add 2 number with 37, then we will get 39. Similarly, if we add 2 number with 43, then we will get 45. So the value we got in that dash is 41. By adding 2 with 39, we will get 41. The repeating unit of this pattern is plus 2 in 37, 39, 41, 43 and 45. And here in one's place, the number is repeated as 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 as like that. So this is called repeating pattern. The world around us is made of various patterns. A mathematical pattern is one that is arranged in a particular sequence that follows a definite rule. As I said already, there are 2 types of mathematical patterns, repeating and growing or reducing patterns. Repeating pattern means the same unit is repeating for number of times continuously is called repeating pattern. That happens in the given example. Look at the picture. The same picture is repeated for several number of times in the given picture. Next is growing or reducing patterns increase or decrease by a constant difference. Here it starts with capital A in big size and further it is reducing in size and we will get very small capital size A. Here reducing pattern happens, which means it decreases constantly in size. Next is the number 5 increases by 5 at each point. So 5 becomes 10, 10 becomes 15, 15 becomes 20. So here growing pattern happens. Observe the pattern given in figure 1. Form the pattern using beats. Here first position only 1 beat is there. In second position 3 beats are there. In third position 6 beats are there. In fourth position 10 beats are there. So it increases constantly, which means it is growing. What kind of pattern is this? It increases constantly using 2, 3, 4. Likewise, the value increases at each place. So it is called growing pattern. Which shape do these patterns make? These patterns make triangles. As I said already, at each position it increases by 2, then 3, then 4. Then what comes in next 2 dashes? It forms a triangle with 15. Then it forms another triangle with 21 by adding 5 with 10 and 6 with 15. In the same manner, extend the following pattern. From the first dot, it increases by 3. Then we will get 4 dots in second place. Then we again add 4 with the second position. Then we will get 4 plus 4, 8. Next, a number that can make a triangular dot pattern as given in figure 1 is called a triangular number. Similarly, a number that forms a square dot pattern is called a square number. Use beads to form triangular and or square numbers for each of these numbers 21, 36, 49. You have to do this as a homework. Use the given 3 numbers and form either a triangular number or a square number. Observe the pattern in figure 2. Using dots, only one circle is formed which is denoted as A, and two circles are formed which is denoted as B. Three circles are formed using dots, it is denoted as C, and four circles are formed using dots denoted as D. In what different ways is the image changing from A to D? Here, it increases by one circle in each step from A to D. Using the figure 2, patterns that increase or decrease in two or more ways are called progressive patterns. Figure 3 shows a progressive patterns. Let us observe the patterns to find the characteristics that are growing. Look at the progressive pattern figure 3. It starts from a particular point and rotates continuously, and it extends continuously to a particular end. The pattern is growing in two ways. First one, the number of stitches in each string is increasing. The color is progressing from light to dark. This 2 points represents the progressive pattern. Here the stitches also increasing in each string, and the color starts from light to dark. So this is called progressive pattern. In a progressive pattern, it varies using the combination of characteristics like size, colors, values, and texture. Look at the Shannon chart. It starts from letter E, which is in big size, and the size reduces continuously with different letters, and also it reaches the end to the very minute small micro size letters. But the letter is not same, it is different, size is also different, texture is also different. So this is called a progressive pattern. Look around is your homework part, children. Read the question carefully and do it. This is also your homework part, children. Observe the pattern clearly and do it. Look at the given number pattern 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. Let us identify the rules of this pattern to check if it is a progressive pattern. The number starts from 1 and increases to 2. How much increases? It increases by 1. So we will get 1 plus 1 makes 2. From 2, again it changes to 4. So it increases by 2 in second step. 2 plus 2 makes 4. Again in third step it increases by 3. 4 plus 3 makes 7. From fourth step it increases by 4. 7 plus 4 makes 11. This represents the progressive pattern because it increases in each step. If one step increases, 1 is added. 2 step increases, 2 is added. Third step increases, 3 is added. Fourth step increases, 4 is added. So this is called progressive pattern. Here the numbers are increasing. The difference between the numbers are also increasing. From 3 to 6, it was multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6. From 6, it goes to third step by multiplying with 3. 6 3s are 18. In fourth step, it is multiplied by 4. 18 4s are 72. And in fifth step, it multiplied by 5. Then 72 into 5s are 360. So in each step, according to the step, it increases using the step number itself. Therefore, the numbers are increasing and the number multiplied is also increasing. Look deep is your homework part, children. Do it by yourself. This is also very easy for you as we have done earlier as progressive patterns. You have to do this as a homework by yourself, children. Hope you all understood the concept. Thank you, my dear kids.